Hello everyone, welcome to another video of reviewhealthcare.org. In front of me I have the GoBe3 Smart Band. The GoBe3 is a new generation health watch just launched in 2020. This is a quick unboxing video with the explanation of its most important functions. If you want more in-depth details about the GoBe3, watch my other in-depth video about this great watch on my YouTube channel. This watch is very unique compared to other fitness and health watches on the market, as it has some very special functions. This watch has improved my health and overall being big time, as it gives me real-time information about my health and how to improve it. The watch costs $199 at the time of this video, and if you watch the video until the end, I'll be giving you a discount coupon to get even a better deal. Let's take a look at the box and what's inside. Alright, I made sure that there is enough charge in the battery for this video purpose, and the fit is very comfortable and the watch is very lightweight. The GoBe3 has a titanium back, which makes it lightweight, durable, and non-corrosive. You do have to clean the watch at least once a week with some alcohol wipes, because otherwise it may become a little itchy. As you can see, without any backlight, it is very clear to see, and in case it's dark you can just tap it and it will illuminate. So what can this health and fitness watch do? It has automatic calorie tracking. No more counting calories and entering them yourself in an app. A body hydration monitor. It tells you when you need to hydrate. A heart rate and blood pressure estimation monitor. It measures your stress levels. It has a sleep monitor. It monitors the quality of your sleep, the REM and anxiety levels. It tracks your weight and weight goals. It counts your steps and distance you walked and ran, and it shows how many calories you burned in the process. This is pretty exciting stuff. So one of the main functions is the automatic calorie intake tracking. The calorie intake is about 90% accurate according to GoBe. That's not bad considering the fact that when you manually enter calories in an app, it's probably the same or less than that, because the calories on a label are not necessarily the calories your body will absorb. The absorption of calories depends on individual characteristics of your body, like enzyme strength, your meal plan, and your physical activity. And that's where the GoBe3 comes in, as it tracks the calories your body absorbs. Another cool function is the emotional state tracker. This watch keeps track on your body's stress level. As I've been wearing the GoBe3 watch for a while now, and I put it many times to the test. In stressful times, the watch really tracks and shows when my stress is high. By using the app, you can see the exact time you were stressed out and how high the stress levels are. Even more important, the app explains how you can deal with the stress and how to reduce it. The hydration monitoring function is really important for me. With my personal health condition, it's so important for me to drink frequently. But being busy in daily life, I often don't take enough time to take care of my hydration levels. The GoBe3 actually tracks the hydration levels for me and gives me a signal when the hydration levels are getting low. I love this feature. Recently the watch got a new firm update which resolved most issues people were complaining about. Next to less charging time, the HealBe was able to extend the battery life. I really did see a great improvement on the battery life. The accuracy of the hydration levels were improved, and the synchronization time with the app has been really improved as well. The watch has many more functions. Please watch my in-depth video about the GoBe3. You can find it right here on my YouTube channel. The GoBe3 costs $199 and you can buy it directly on their website, which is www.healbe.com. When you use the coupon code MARTIJN, M-A-R-T-I-J-N, you save $20. That's Martin with a J before the N, just like this on the screen. Please like this video, drop me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a blessed week.